Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. We have to solve the following. 117.48 plus what number gives 203.38. So let's say this number is x, then we have to find x as 203.38 minus 117.48. So basically what we have to do here is we have to subtract 117.48 from the another decimal number 203.38. So let's do the subtraction. So when we subtract these two decimal number, we'll get 8 minus 8 is 0. Now 3 is less than 4, so we have to take a carry. So 13 minus 4 will give 9. Now it becomes 2 after giving carry. So again 2 is less than 7. Then again we have to take carry, and in this way if we do the subtraction, we will obtain the final answer as 85.90. Hence we can say that the required decimal number here is 85.9.